Class 5, we are continuing with the area and perimeter sums. Sum number 3. If perimeter of a square is 84 meters, find the side of a square. So what is given to you? Suppose this is a square figure. Now perimeter means the length of the boundary. That is the outermost boundary, how much it measures. That is given to you. That is perimeter equal to 84 meters. What you have to find? You have to find the side. And you know that if you can find one of the side, all the sides of the square are same. In earlier question or straightforward questions, side of a square is provided and you have to find perimeter of a square or the length of its boundary. So it is very easy by using the formula 4 into side, you can calculate perimeter. But here just the opposite given. The perimeter of a square is known to you. You have to find out what is the each single side of a square measures. So we will begin with the formula. Perimeter of a square equals 4 into side. Now why I am writing perimeter of a square? Because perimeter's formula is not same for a square or a rectangle. In case of rectangle, the formula will change. So always write this perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Now what is known? Just write it down. Perimeter, you know, it is given in the question, 84 meters equal to 4 into side. Now which is unknown, which you have to find? You have to find side. So whenever we want to find anything unknown, we keep that on one side and shift all the rest which we know, the numbers which we know, to another side to find its value. Similarly, if I want to keep side alone, this 4 which is multiplied will shift to the other side, and whenever you shift, what happens? Sign change takes place. Here 4 is multiplied, so when it shifts this side, it becomes divided by. So therefore we can write side will be how much? 84 meters divided by 4, which is equal to, just cancel, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, so it is equal to 21 meters. So this is the answer. Side of a square is equivalent to 21 meters. Now going to the next question. Now the question is based on a different shape. We are moving towards rectangle. Find the area and perimeter of a rectangle with length 24 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeters. So what is a rectangle or how it is different from square? I have already discussed with you in the previous video that rectangle is a figure whose, this is known as the opposite sides, the length or the longest side, it matches to each other. So here the length is given 24 centimeter. So on both sides, the longest side represents length, that is 24 centimeters. Similarly, these two opposite sides also match with each other. These are the signs of equality. It shows that these two sides are equal. It is known as breadth and it is given to you 10 centimeters. So in square all the sides are same, but in rectangle the two opposite sides, they value the same thing. Now we have to find the area. Area means how much space is inside this rectangle whose length and breadth is given. So we will begin with finding of area. Area of rectangle, the formula is not the same in case of rectangle and square. So please either check the question which you are attempting, check the figure and then put the formula. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So the value will be length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Just place the value, you have to just multiply them. Now 24 into 10 gives you 240, and area I said always have a square units, because check over here, the unit is coming 2 times. When you multiply anything 2 times, it changes to square. So centimeter square or square centimeter will be the unit of area over here. So this is the answer of area. Now we will find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? We have to put perimeter's formula. Perimeter of rectangle equal to, perimeter means the entire boundary of the rectangular figure's measurement. How much is the total measurement? Now perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula 2 into length plus breadth. I am writing the short form, you please write length as well as breadth. So first we solve the first bracket. Before that, put the value. Length is given 24 centimeter plus breadth is given 10 centimeters. Now first we will solve this first bracket. So the answer of first bracket will be 24 centimeter plus 10, that is 34 centimeter. Now why I have written here centimeter? Because here centimeter, if it was multiplied, you should give centimeter square. But when it is added, suppose I told you that 3 pencil plus 2 pencil, it makes you 5 pencils. Similarly, 24 centimeter plus 10 centimeter will make 34 centimeter. Only in case of multiplication, similar units if you multiply, it will have a square units. Otherwise, you will just add and simply put only the single unit. Now, after solving this first bracket, you will go for the multiplication. So 2 into 34 gives you 68 centimeter, and this is the answer. Why 68 centimeter? Because here in multiplication the unit only comes once, so perimeter doesn't have a square unit, whether you find for square or for rectangle. It only have singular units. So the answer to this question is area of the rectangle is 240 centimeter square and perimeter is 68 centimeter.